My name is Enrico Aquino Umali. I am 43 years old, single, and a resident of Poblacion Sur, Santa Cruz, Ilocos. I have excellent customer service and communication skills, good memory, retention, and highly adaptable to new work environment and co-workers. I can maintain composure even at very stressful situations. I have great stamina which is needed in my work as a bartender. As to my experiences, I worked at Aloha Nui Hotel in Canton City as assistant bartender for 6 months. I have learned a lot during my stay in Aloha Nui, like the basics of bartending. I watched YouTube to learn more about bartending. After my work contract ended in Aloha Nui, I applied in newly opened hotel in Rosario, La Union, named Norlo Cetic Midpoint Hotel. As a bartender, I was accepted as a bartender and currently employed up to now. I am with the company for more than 2 years already. The management of Midpoint Hotel encouraged me to have my bartending NC2 certification. I requested for a flexi-time work arrangement and they agreed. I now have my bartending NC2 certification. I can say I am a fast learner just by watching. I can easily memorize. That is why I was able to learn bartending even though I was only an assistant in Aloha Nui Hotel. One of my unique strengths that I am able to apply in my work as bartender is my empathy, especially to my co-workers and guests. As a bartender, I was consistent in my skills in mixing different kinds of drinks due to excellent customer service skills. I was able to gain a lot of repeat clients. I am a little obsessive compulsive where I want my bartending staff to be always in proper place. Multitasking is one of the abilities that I was able to polish when I became a bartender. I had to attend to the requests of clients, listen to their stories and sentiments, list their orders, prepare their bills, clean my space, and at the same time, smile. To be able to give what the customer needs is my satisfaction. With the knowledge and skills that I have, I believe I can contribute well to the goals of the company if you will give me a chance. Thank you so much for the time, and I'm looking forward to be a part of your prestigious company wherein I can have my professional growth. Have a nice day.